Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Guys, this one is personally a sad one for me because I never thought we would get here. It is alleged Uguti Kolisi and the wife are getting a divorce. However, I think at this point it's no longer allegations because the wife has confirmed the news. Why we are sad is because we know Uguti, this is our couple of the year or our couple of whatever, but like this is the couple that we never thought will separate. Like I never thought it will separate personally. However, the wife issued a statement, guys. Yes, Mrs. Kolisi issued a statement. We are all in disbelief, but you know how the statement goes, Mos. It's as if all is amicable, but yeah, her statement reads as follows. We wanted to share some important news with you. That is Rachel Kolisi. After much reflection and open conversation, we have mutually decided to end our marriage. This decision comes from a place of love, respect, and understanding that this is the best path forward for both of us. While our relationship as a couple is changing, we remain great friends and committed partners in raising our children with the same love and care they've always known. We will also continue working together on the foundation that means so much to us. We are grateful for the love, understanding, and support you've shown us. And we kindly ask you for your respect and as we navigate the situation. With gratitude and love, Sia and Rachel Kolisi. Yo angeke guys. Sizoshata marathina. Sizoshata tina.